Back in 2006, I invested some money in a company that was really hot at that time. Everyone was talking about how much money they made, so I jumped in, thinking this must be a great opportunity. But then the stock of this company started plummeting. I freaked out and sold the stock at a much lower price than what I paid for it initially. Obviously, I lost a significant amount of money. I was devastated. That mistake also taught me the importance of diversification. I had put all my money in one company, and when it didn't perform well, I had no safety net. Now I diversify my investments across different stocks, but also different asset classes, such as a couple of bonds, some real estate, and to be honest, also a bit of crypto. Diversification helps to reduce risk. If one asset performs poorly, others can help balance it out. This way, you protect your overall portfolio and increase your chances of steady growth over time.